Good morning students and welcome back to Alchemy online classes. Students, in our previous class we learned plants and animals in northern plain. We learned that Sundarban trees are the famous trees and famous forests in northern plain. We also learned animals like Royal Bengal tiger, elephant, monkeys are the popular animals of this kind of northern plains. And cities like Jalandhar, Ludhiana, Amritsar, Patna, Lucknow, Kolkata are popular city of northern plains. So today we are going to learn some extra things of northern plains. Now student, come to page number 32, I think and reflect session. Why is it important to keep rivers clean? It is very important to keep rivers clean because rivers are the main source of water and water is essential for our life. If we will not keep the water clean, we will not get water to drink or to bath or to anything, any household work. As we know that water is required in each and every patch of life. In day-to-day work, we cannot do any work without water. So if we will not clean water and we will throw garbage in it, the river becomes the dead. So it is very important to keep rivers clean, to use it for many years. Factors which are responsible of water pollution are using unnecessary vehicles, throwing garbage or plastic in it. Whenever we are going on the river side, we should not throw garbage in it. People are throwing flowers and all things in rivers, and that is main reason of river pollution. People throw garbage like cans, food packets, flowers and their useless things in water, and this is why the water became dirty and we cannot use the river water for our daily routine. We can reduce the water pollution by using eco-friendly ways of throwing plastic or using recyclable plastic. We should not throw flower in rivers. Instead of throwing it in river, we can throw it in dustbin. Nowadays government also making plans to clean the river. There is one plan, Clean Ganga, which is started by Mr. Narendra Modi. The aim of that to clean the river Ganga and make it drinkable for the people again. How they will do? They will remove the garbage and use it in recycle bin, and they will stop people to throw in garbage in Ganga. That is the one way. Second way, government will not do anything. We, the people, we have to throw the things in dustbin. Whenever we are going outside where we cannot find dustbin, so we have to carry that thing with us and we have to throw in dustbin. When we see the dustbin, we can throw it in dustbin or else we can destroy it. Now student, open page number 33 and come to I Discover session. There are many organizations that work for the welfare of nature. The National Green Tribunal is one of them. Collect information about it. First, when was it formed, why was it formed, and what is its meaning? The National Green Tribunal was founded in the year 2010 under the National Green Tribunal Act to protect environment and conserve forest and other natural resources. It handles all environment issues and takes large legal action on those violating them. Now students, come to English 1, I-Link session, English 1. Is there any difference between the types of animals that are found on the mountains and animals that live on the plains. Give example of each. Animals like red panda, mountain goat, mountain sheep, polar bear are living in mountains. This kind of animals are able to survive in cold regions. That is why they are living on mountains. And animals like tiger, elephant, monkeys, cows and other domestic animals are able to survive in warm weather. That is why they all are living in northern plains or the plain areas. Now student, after this come to eye extent session. How is the life of people in the plains are different from that in the mountains? The life of the people is totally different from the people who are living in mountains, because mountain contains cold weather, people using things which are giving them warmth in their body, and people who are living in plains, they are using things which give them coolness in their body. Food are not easily available on mountain regions. Food is easily available on the plains. So the people do not have to survive for food in plains, but people have to survive too much in mountains. And sometimes the life of people is mountain in tough, and people who are living in plains are living comfortable life. Now students, come to I observe session. As per recent report, crops grow on the bank of river Yamuna contains deadly germs and poisonous substance. Find out why this is happening. Is it a major problem? Yes, it is a major problem, because Yamuna river is the home of industrial garbage as well as plastic. It contains too many germs and harmful bacteria which are harmful for human body and animals and plants. So if a plant is growing nearby Yamuna bank, so that plant contains all the germs and bacteria of river Yamuna or water of Yamuna river. So when the plant is growing, it contains poisonous substance in it. And this is the major problem. The people who are living nearby that plains area, they are consuming that fruit and vegetable only which they are getting from that kind of plants. Means they are consuming that poisonous things and they are getting ill earlier and they are not able to survive longer. Now come to I Learn for Life session. Agriculture is main occupation of people in the northern plain. It largely depends on rain as well as river for water supply. Found out two main problems that farmers faces here. As we know, rain is not predictable in India. We cannot surely say that rain will that much percent rain will happen in this day, that was winter is going to on this month, in this month. So it is not predictable. Weather condition is totally dependent. In environment, the environmental condition, the condition of pollution in environment, so it according to that weather condition is changing. Sometime in monsoon also farmers need too much rain because it's too hot for them. Monsoon is also too hot for them, and sometimes in winter it is raining and that is harmful for their crops. That is why they are facing many problems. So this is the way the northern plains are having comfortable lives, but then also the farmers are facing many problems in northern plains.